I'd sure like to punch the engineer who designed that right in the wiener. Hey guys, it's Mike at FiTech Customs. Today we're working on the Grand Wagoneer, and I have a mistake that I made that we're gonna fix first. Do you notice right here, something missing? Yep, that's right. I forgot the pulley, so I'm gonna throw it back on real quick, and I think we'll focus on a fuel pump today. So let's get to work.
The ladies all are sunglasses, which never stop anyone see their eyes. Inside the grey room is red painted fingernail hands, smoothly shifted gears from first to second, and from second to first.
We got the alternator mounted up, tightening the bolts and adjusting it now, so I grabbed the belts. And I gotta make sure they're on the right track. Well, I didn't get much video, but got the alternator in. Got the power steering pump tightened, belts are on, and started working on the vacuum lines and some of the wiring for the FiTech setup. All right guys, we are back. It's been about 2 seconds for you. It's been about 3 days for me. We've been doing a bunch of family stuff. So we're gonna get the fuel tank pulled today on this one so we can input the fuel pump that's in this thing. All right guys, we're back. Next day, I don't know, a couple days later, pulled this out of our bin of stuff to sell. Bought it a couple months ago at a auction at a mechanic shop that was closing. He's got 450 bucks right here. And he's got 563.90 right here. And looking on eBay, scanning the number, looks like it sells for about 200 bucks. But you know how much I gave for it? That's right, $3. So, I say all that to say this. We're going to use this Bosch fuel pump that's right down in here that we're fixing to pull out. I've got the tank almost all the way down like you saw. So, I'm going to finish getting the tank down, finish getting that apart. This has to be the stupidest design ever. So, this bracket right here, you can't even get your damn hands on. Have them right there. And then to get an extra, you know, I don't know, quarter gallon in there for these stupid asses, they built this little bulge right here that goes inside the frame. Well, you can't slide it enough that way without hitting the pinion to get this out. So now we gotta take out this stupid ass bracket that's right in the way, but I can't get my hand up here because the tank's in the way. This makes 0 sense.
Bounce to the jingle, bounce to the jingle, pounce like a bango, pounce like a bang.
This way with it. Oh. Holy, there's the tank, and these, like this one here and this one here, are the things that go inside the frame. So I don't know if maybe that gives you an extra gallon of fuel capacity or whatever, but I'd sure like to punch the engineer who designed that right in the wiener. Whew. All right, time to get the cap off and start looking at how we're going to route the fuel pump.
Go tiger, inspired, twisted like tango wire. Stuff fires on these rhymers. It's the freak styler. Hate this life, but love this craft. Skip class, get gas like a lit match, kick gas, spit fast, spit past you with a dash on this track coming at you. Bad news for your bitch ass when I blast you. Give you whiplash, watch my lips smack you. Watch your lips crack and smile, I'm wild like a baboon. Eat your bad tunes, suck 'em up like vacuum. Cooped up like a rooster. Who knew Coop was a little cuckoo? Cooper was a nickname, got behind the balls like an innate skill. I'm a natural mutant, stoop kid, never lead a soup blueprint. So my mind's thinking, keep me zoomed into his music. Cocoon in my room like a tomb or a caterpillar at a filler, blah blah blah. Acapella, vanilla, fella, Mandela, cellar dweller, alphabet killer, alpha male, no one knows me. As a rhyme spiller, breaking grounds like an oil driller, main lead Rockefeller, hard to tell a Bella. I've been fucking her friend Ella, and it doesn't end till the morning. Another bender and a hat bands every time that.
I mean, come on. How you gonna put something that's 3 3/8 inches big, like a freaking nut, and then put it in this hole to where I can't even get a pair of pliers on it to spin it? It's frustrating. All right, guys, my neighbor came over, had a great idea. Take some metal, basically, like this, and build a, so I'll basically have a piece here, and a piece here, and then we'll do one over here, and I'll build something across the top that I can use to spin it. So, I'm gonna get those built right now. These over there are about 1.5 inches tall. So I'm gonna go through and mark this. Then we're gonna do it 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches, and there. And that'll give us our 4 pieces. So I'll get them cut. All right, so I flipped through my extra welding tools there, thing, whatever. Just making sure this fits. Yep, and it does. Then we're gonna weld this one up, and then we'll weld the other one up, and then we'll make a top bracket. Okay, inside to inside on the points over there is 4 inches, or point to point, however you want to say it. So I'm going to take these, still hot. I'm going to make a dot at 1 inch, or 2 inches I guess, and then a dot at 6. To get our 4-inch separation. Okay, so I went ahead and have it mounted on our little dot there, and then measured this side, and it's 2 3/4, and this side is 2 3/4. So I'm gonna tack it and take it over and see if it works. Ow! I can do it this time without melting my damn finger. Ouch. So we're over here. Put it on there. Slides down on. There's a little bit of gap here. I'm gonna weld this part good and then kind of knock that with the hammer a little bit, and we'll see if we can get it to twist. Okay, so I have an idea. I'm going to take and weld a extra socket I have that I have a bunch of. We'll weld one right here in the middle so we can take a big breaker bar and maybe we can get it to go that way. Because I'm not able to get it going like this. Here's one thing you want to watch for. Look at this sock on the end of this, how it's busted open. So it'll be a good thing we're replacing that. But all right guys, that's all of that one. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it here, and we'll make the installing the fuel pump on the pickup its own video. And really, I guess that's about it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see when I upload the video of the fuel pump install. Thanks a bunch.